How to lift and lift and... Welcome back to another video. I have not posted in a long time, so I hope everyone is doing really well because we've had very crappy COVID in the middle all over the world. So I've been writing a hair training course and trying to put the time to use. But so I'm back. I've now split the YouTube up into two channels. So this one is all going to be focused for you and us doing DIY tutorials. So I'm just going to be focusing on doing different hair and makeup looks. So if there's anything that you want to see, then please let me know in the comments down below. Anything you struggle with, if you are like me and have a hooded eye, or if you are starting to struggle with aging. I have started perimenopause, I also struggle with fibromyalgia, and I also have a hooded eye, so basically my face is starting to go. This tutorial is giving you a couple of tips on how to lift the eye and lift the eye more awake. It makes your eyes look more open and brighter. If you want to see something a little bit more in depth, there is another tutorial here that takes you through my morning makeup routine, which is about 5 to 10 minutes quick. And the faster you can get at it, the faster you can do it. But for now, we're just going to be doing how to open the eye. I've already got like basic makeup on, so foundation, a little bit of blusher and bronzer, and brows, and a bit of mascara. That's it. It's like to use this palette from HD Brows. This one is in Foxy, and it comes with 4 different colours, so it goes right up to dark. So it's a great palette for doing morning to evening looks. So if you're going to be doing Christmas party or something like that, it's all matte, the silica base, so they are really long lasting and sweat proof, which is really good if you are menopausal because it holds really well. And it also has a wax in the bottom here that is great for if you want to make things more dramatic, but primarily it's for the brows and to make these powders into more of a wax product so you can make brows stronger. So it's a multi-use palette, it's an eye and brow palette. I have a peaches and cream brush, and this is PC36, nice little fluffy brush. When the bristles are lighter at the top, it means that they don't pick up as much product. So this is dense, the top will pick up a bit of product and then it helps you disperse it. So we're going to be picking up this lighter medium shade first, which is kind of like an oystery brown, and I'm taking this into the socket so where you can feel the socket bone straight into there. And this is just really little soft, keep it nice and light, blend out and start to lift. So I'm taking this into the nose a little bit and opening up. Side, take that in. Then I'm just going to go in with this one and then a little bit of the darker one. I'm going to go lower down into that crease and just build that up a little bit more. So we're also doing online lessons, live lessons. So if anyone does want to learn a bit more in depth, we take you step by step with those. This is another Peaches. This is a little short stubby brush, and this is PC12. I'm going to use that lighter colour again. I'm just going to smudge that into that, and I'm going to take that underneath. So if you're also anything like me and you have a little bit of mascara lying about or anything, and you've not quite got everything off, hides everything, so you will never know. So it's quick for morning getting out. And because this is only a light mushroom colour, you're not making the eyes any smaller or anything like that. You're literally adding a shadow and giving it a little bit more definition. And then we're going to take that up, following the lash line and taking it up the side. So you can use a nude pencil on the inside of your eye now if you like that type of look. Soft and Gentle from MAC, and it's a gorgeous, it's kind of like, it's got a bit of warmth, it's a little bit pinky as well. It's a really soft highlight, so it's not OTT. I'm just going to pop a little bit of this onto the middle of my eyelid just to bounce the light a little bit. So on top of that, for my day-to-day, I will always use an eyeliner. If you like to do an eyeliner and you'd like a tutorial for that, then you can find a link here. That one goes step by step. It's not about swishing it on. It builds it up a bit more dot to dot and shows you how to do it. And in that video, I use a different eyeliner. I think I use Illamasqua, which I do love. And that one's great for building up eye makeup looks and stuff like that. But I found a longer lasting one. So if you're anything like me with a hooded eye, you will know what it's like to get, if you get warm, you can get it printing off at the top. So I have started using this one from Huda Beauty that came in my glossy box, and this one does not budge at all. I'm going to pop some of this on and then come back and show you the look. So that is with eyeliner. This is the Huda Beauty one. I like to follow the very outer edge of the lash line because it'll just widen the eye because it's quite small eyes and the hooded. So the eyeshadow kind of opens it, that little bit of highlighter reflects light and opens up, and then put eyeliner on. If you like to wear eyeliner, you don't have to. You can just do a little bit of a smoke around the eye, and then once you've finished, I have another little tip. So this one is Peaches and Cream 50. It's a little flat brush, again like this, and I'm just going to be popping on with a little bit of the Maybelline eye eraser. I take the sponges off just for hygiene, so you can pop a little bit of this, and then this is going underneath the eye. So we're just going to pop a little bit, and then as you come up the side of your eyeliner, you're going to go straight up, fan that out. So we're keeping this nice and thin, straight up the side. And then down the side of the brow as well. And then this little V will just help nip the eye shape. There. Go in with your eyeshadow brush after and just soften that edge, soften, and that is it. You see how it just brightens the eye and it just lifts, it's a tiny nip tuck, but it just looks like you're kind of a little bit more awake and youthful. These 3 brushes from Peaches and Cream are really great too, because you can get 3 brushes for £15 over on their website. So I will drop all the details for everything that's been used in the comments below. So I hope you found that useful. Please come and find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and keep a lookout for next week's video. If there's anything particular that you would like to see, then do drop me in the comments and let me know. Because we'll be back with a new DIY tutorial every week, whether it's hair or makeup, so just drop me a message and let me know.